Welcome back to my channel Rajguru Chemistry. Today in this video we can discuss the topic of organometallics Walker process. Walker process was introduced by Smith. The Walker process is primarily used to produce acetaldehyde from the oxidation of ethylene by palladium 2 and copper 2 chloride solution. The process involves addition of molecular oxygen to an olefin in presence of a catalyst and co-catalyst to obtain carbonyl derivatives. The reaction is like that: ethylene addition of molecular oxygen in presence of a catalyst palladium chloride and copper chloride gives acetaldehyde as a product. First of all, we have to discuss the formation of acetaldehyde from ethylene. Formation of acetaldehyde from ethylene. After we will discuss acetone from propene. In Walker process, the main catalyst is palladium chloride. Palladium chloride is in +2 oxidation state. Otherwise, palladium Cl4 2- is also called as the main catalyst in Walker process. The co-catalyst is example CuCl2 and CuCl4 2-. Main catalyst palladium and co-catalyst also in the +2 oxidation state. Now we see the mechanism for Walker process. In step 1, palladium chloride on addition of chloride ion gives palladium tetrachloride. In the second step, palladium tetrachloride addition of alkene in water gives the product of acetaldehyde and palladium and hydrochloric acid and chloride ion. In step 3, palladium zero oxidation state are combined with the CuCl2 and chloride ion gives the compound of PdCl4 2- and CuCl. In the fourth step, CuCl an addition of molecular oxygen and hydrochloric acid gives CuCl2 and water. The overall reaction is alkene on addition of molecular oxygen gives acetaldehyde. In PdCl2 palladium chloride, palladium is in +2 oxidation state. This complex also in palladium have +2 oxidation state. +2 oxidation state palladium and combined with the alkene, it is changes into palladium zero oxidation state. Palladium is in zero oxidation state. Cupric chloride CuCl2 in Cu have +2 oxidation state. An addition with the chloride ion gives again palladium +2 oxidation state. And CuCl in Cu have +1 oxidation state. +1 oxidation state of CuCl and addition with the oxygen and hydrochloric acid gives again Cu +2 oxidation state in CuCl2. What is the role of Cu2 plus catalyst? Cu2 plus acts as a co-catalyst. Palladium 0 is converted back to palladium 2 plus by the auxiliary Cu2 catalyst air oxidation. Palladium is in the zero oxidation state. Zero oxidation state is converted back into palladium +2 oxidation state. This is the role of Cu2 plus catalyst in Walker process. Now we see the catalytic cycle for oxidation of ethylene by Walker process. In Walker process, palladium chloride is an active species. It is very important. In Walker process, palladium chloride is an active species. Palladium chloride on addition with the 2 chloride ion gives PdCl-2. From this complex, an addition of alkene, coordination takes place. One Cl- ion is eliminated. This alkene is coordinated with this complex. We get a coordination complex. Palladium is bonded in between the double bond of the carbon atom. In this coordinated complex, ligand displacement by water molecule, one of the Cl is displaced by H2O molecule, we get a hydrated coordinated complex. To the hydrated pi coordinated complex, hydration of alkene takes place. This water molecule can also act as a nucleophile. This can be attack on the alkene. We get the compound of beta hydroxy palladium complex with the elimination of minus H plus. In beta hydroxy palladium complex, beta hydride ion is eliminated. This step is the slow step. This slow step is the rate determining step. That hydride ion is enters into the palladium. In this complex, insertion of hydrogen takes place. In this step, migration and insertion takes place from the addition of Cl ion. Cl ion is entered to here. From this complex, H plus ion is eliminated and 2Cl minus ion is also eliminated. Water molecule is eliminated. We get a compound of acetaldehyde. Palladium 0 oxidation state and water molecule Cl minus ion and HCl. This palladium 0 oxidation state and addition with CuCl2 to get the product of palladium chloride and cuprous chloride. This CuCl again it will combine with the molecular oxygen and hydrochloric acid to get CuCl2. In Wacker process, formation of acetaldehyde from ethylene by oxygen water in presence of palladium catalyst. After the formation of acetaldehyde, Pd2 plus oxidation state is reduced into palladium 0 oxidation state. It is reoxidized by CuCl2. It is a continuous cyclic process. Next we see the preparation of ketone by Wacker process. It is propene, palladium chloride, water and CuCl2 gives the product of acetone and palladium and hydrochloric acid. The cyclic process for this reaction is given as symmetrical alkene gives the product of aldehyde. Unsymmetrical alkene gives the product of ketone. The catalytic cycle is given as palladium chloride on addition of 2Cl minus ion. In this step complex formation takes place. We get palladium tetrachloride. In this state palladium is in plus 2 oxidation state. Then addition of alkene pi coordination takes place. We get a alkene pi coordinated complex. In this pi coordination palladium complex, ligand displacement takes place. One of the Cl minus ion is replaced by water molecule. We get a complex of hydrated palladium complex. To this hydrated alkene palladium complex, water molecule is added. This water molecule can also act as a nucleophile. This nucleophile can be attack on this carbon atom. This carbon is a secondary carbon. This carbon is a primary carbon. So this nucleophile will be entered into this carbon. So a bond is formed between the palladium and this carbon. So we get a beta hydroxy palladium complex. This hydrogen is removed as hydride ion that will enter into the palladium and this Cl minus ion is eliminated. From this step beta hydrogen eliminated. This step is the rate determining step. This step is also slow step. In this complex, insertion takes place. This hydrogen is inserted to this. After insertion reaction takes place, then reductive elimination reaction takes place. We get a palladium 0 oxidation state and acetone and hydrochloric acid and water molecule. This hydrogen is eliminated, molecule is also eliminated and palladium is in the 0 oxidation state. After the formation of acetone, the zero oxidation state of palladium that will combine with the CuCl2 gives the product of palladium chloride and CuCl. Again, this CuCl and combined with molecular oxygen and hydrochloric acid gives CuCl2. This is the continuous catalytic cyclic process for acetone formation. In Wacker process, we don't forget some points like that. In Wacker process, alkene is converted into acetaldehyde. The main catalyst is palladium chloride and co-catalyst is CuCl2 copper chloride. Cu2 plus is act as a co-catalyst. The role of co-catalyst is zero oxidation state of palladium is converted back to palladium 2 plus. The active species is palladium chloride. These are the important points in Wacker process. If you like this video, please like and share with friends. Do subscribe the channel and click the bell icon. Thanks for watching.